Are you okay?
Good job. See, now you're good. You're fine. Okay, you're good. See?
Oh my gosh, look, you've got it. Get it.
We have plant-like plankton and animal-like plankton. So. No, don't let go.
Yeah. Oh. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Ew, it's
Spit on him.
You're almost asking them to take it.
Oh, you got it.
Put all the dirty, we're gonna cut it off. Oh, rats!
Get close. Oh, no.
You're alright. It's okay.
Eat up, big boy. The one with the broken ribs. Whoa!
Be nice, Mr. Lewis.
I see his little eyeball right in between the two leaves. He's scared. Oh, shit!
There. Look, Trevor.
Reed, stop. Whoa.